One of the things that you need to think about is getting some air to the flowers that are drying during the drying process. If you just put the flower sandwiches into a book and leave them there for weeks, what's going to happen is you're going to go and you're going to look at them after that time, and you're going to find a bunch of the flowers have turned brown. That's because they've been left in a moist book for a long time and haven't had any air circulation to help them dry faster and preserve their color. There's a couple of things that I do to alleviate that problem for the most part. Of course, is learning what flowers you can press traditionally that will go through the flower pressing cycle and not turn brown. And even using some of the techniques that I'm going to talk about, you will sometimes find a few things that won't make it through.
So we've got our books sandwiched between cardboard, and now we're going to go and we are going to put weight on them. This is how I actually press the flowers. Once I put the flowers in between pieces of paper, making a flower sandwich, and insert them into my magazines, I will stack them up and put pieces of cardboard between the layers for more air circulation. And then I will put a cement block on top as my weight. And sometimes I'll even add a couple more books if I've got extremely thick flowers that I want to flatten. But generally speaking, cement block works. Here we are at the pressing area. I need to move my board off of the board. Here's the board. And then here's my brick. Okay. And there they are. I make sure that everything's centered. And in 2 days I'll come back and take the flower sandwiches out of these books and put them into fresh books and put the weight back on them. And I will do that a couple of times, and then in a couple of weeks I'll put them on the shelf where they will stay in storage until I'm ready to use them. Always make sure to keep your flowers in a dry and as cool as possible place and dark, and they should last you for quite a long time.